Remembering homework, assessments, school events, excursions, and important dates is difficult. How do parents do it? The Donum Education Parent Bots bring helpful school information and support together in one place. Parents have 24/7 safe access through a secure password system and can chat with their chosen bot in many languages. There are 3 options for different stages: primary full, primary light, and secondary. Let's take a look at how they work. Primary full provides personalized support for each parent. Parents can ask about their child's homework, assessments, school events, and curriculum. Simply ask a question, and the parent bot provides information and guidance to help parents support their child's education. All parent bots provide learning tips and can explain difficult academic concepts, helping parents support homework at home. Parents can also find academic resources and practice questions to help their child study. Each parent bot can provide information specific to the child's school, helping parents find everyday answers without searching through messages and resources. This can include school hours, pickup arrangements, uniform policies, important dates, and who to contact when help is needed. With 24/7 access, parent bots can save time for parents, school administration staff, and teachers by reducing repetitive inquiries. For schools looking for a simpler school-wide option, there's Primary Light. Primary Light gives parents quick access to school information and answers about their child's school experience. Parents can find upcoming events and term dates, information about what their child is learning, and answers to common school questions. It also provides personalized book recommendations and practical learning tips for use at home. The secondary parent bot supports parents of older students in years 7 to 12. Parents can find school information and ask about subjects, exams, and study guidance, helping them stay informed and support their teenager. Our parent bots save valuable time for school administration staff by answering common questions parents ask every day. Instead of repeatedly asking about school dates, uniforms, pickup arrangements, exams, and other everyday information, parents can use the bots to find the answers they need. This means less time spent on repetitive inquiries and more time for school staff to focus on what matters most. Choose the parent bot that fits your school, let parents ask the questions, and help them support their child at home. The goal is simple: make school information easier to access, save staff time, and help parents feel more confident supporting their child. From primary school through to secondary and VCE, Donum Education's parent bots provide practical, 24/7 multilingual AI support throughout a child's school journey.